Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allif rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Babul istisna'i, exceptions, explanations, right? So we are arriving again, guys, in this opportunity. Exactly, we will be discussing about grammatical Arabic again, Al-Jurumiyah, and now we are arriving in this one, the chapter called by istisna, or you can call with exceptions, right? So what the meaning of exceptions, and then kind of letters from exceptions, we will be discussing all of them after this. So let's get starting. Babul istisna'i, exceptions, explanation. Wa huruful istisna'i thamaniyatun wa hiya illa wa ghairu wa siwan ila akhirih. Wa huruful istisna'i, the letters of istisna. The letters of istisna, or the letters of exceptions, thamaniyatun, they should be 8 letters. So what are they? Wahia, they are illa wa ghairu wa siwan wa suwan ila akhirih. The first from the letters from istisna, exactly, the first is illa, and then secondly wa ghairu and ghairu, wa siwan, and the third is siwan, wasuwan and suwan, wasawaun and sawaun, wa khola and khola, wa ada, number 7 is ada, and the last number is wa hasha and hasa. Exactly, starting from ila, wa ghairu, siwan, suwan, sawaun, khola, ada, hasha, exactly all of them has the same meaning. So the meaning just one. So what is that? The meaning is except or but, kecuali. And then the next, fal mustasna bi illa yunsabu idza kana al kalamu taman ila akhirih. Fal mustasna, as for mustasna or as for exceptions, bi illa, which is using the words illa. So yunsabu idza kana al kalamu taman. Yunsabu, this is actually the rule of mustasna which is using illa, right? Yunsabu should be put down or should be positioning in nasab condition when idza kana, when available. What is available? Al kalamu, sentence, taman, which is tam or which is perfect, mujaban, and also mujab or declarations. So mustasna or exception, which is using the word from illa, exactly, should be put down in nasab condition when the sentence is made from kalam tam or kalam mujab, or in other words kalam mujab, you can say with the perfect sentence of declarations, right? And then the next, nahwu, this is exactly the example from al mustasna bi illa, right? Qomal qaumu illa zaitan. Nahwu is like your sentence. Nahwu, the example, qoma, stand up, who al qaumu, nations or community, illa zaitan, except Zaid or but Zaid, all of the people has been standing up except Zaid. So in this case only Zaid, the someone who has not been standing up. This is exception from the people, exactly, from the people before. And then the next of the example, wa khoroja an-nasu illa amron. Wa khoroja, and coming out or come out, who an-nasu, the people, illa amron, but Umar. All of the people exactly has been coming out except Umar. So in this case also same meaning with the sentence before. Exactly, only Umar, the persons who has not been coming out, right? This is Umar also exactly the exception from Anas, right? And then the next, wa inkana al kalamu manfiyan taman jaza fihi al badalu ila akhirih. Wa inkana al kalamu, and when the sentence manfiyan is made from kalam manfi, right? Exactly, taman and also kalam tam or perfect sentence. So what is the rule when the sentence is made from kalam tam manfi? The rule is jaza. The rule is jaza is be permitted, right? Fihi, in this sentence, what is permitted in this sentence, or what is the rule is permitted in this sentence. Al badalu badal, using badal or substitute, right? Wan nasabu, and the second rule is wan nasabu, and also is permitted in this case an nasabu, using nasab condition. Al istisna'i, above of istisna or above of exceptions. Nahwu is the example, or like your sentence exactly. Ma qoma al qaumu illa zaitun. Ma qoma, do not stand up, who al qaumu, the people, illa zaitun, but zait. And then wa illa zaitan, and but zait, right? You can say in this case, the first after words of illa, you can say illa zaitun, and secondly the rule is illa zaitan. So exactly in this case, you can say after illa, you can say illa zaitun or illa zaitan. So actually we have two rules, right, in this case. Wa in kana al kalamu naqison ila akhirih. So what is the next? Wa in kana al kalamu, when the sentence naqison is made from kalam naqis, right? So what is the rule when the sentence is made from kalam naqis? Kana ala hasabil awamili. So kana, so the rule is ala hasabil awamili, is depend on determiner, right? So the rule when the kalam is made from kalam naqis is depend from awamil or determiner. Nahwu, the example. Ma qoma illa zaitun. Ma qoma doesn't stand up. Illa zaitun, who illa zaitun, but zait. So the meaning from this case is exactly there is no person who has been standing up but Zaid, or only Zaid, the person who has standing up. Wa ma dorobtu, and do not, or the meaning is wa ma dorobtu, and I do not hit everyone illa Zaidan, except in Zaid only. I only hit persons only in Zaid, not the others, exactly. Wa ma marartu illa bi Zaidin, and I do not meet someone illa bi Zaidin, except only with Zaid. And then fal mustasna bi ghairi wasiwan wasuwan ila akhiri. Exactly, obviously in this chapter there is no like contradiction on the meaning, exactly, right? Exactly, there is no contradiction in the meaning of illa, wairu, siwa, sawaun, etc. But the only contradiction is just in the text of, or in the processing of writing. Fal mustasna bi ghairi wasiwan wasuwan ila akhirih. Fal mustasna, and as for mustasna, or as for exceptions, bi ghairi, by using, which is using ghairi or ghairu, wasiwan, and also which is using siwan, wasuwan, and also which is using suwan, wasawain, and also sawain. All of them, the rule of mustasna, which is using ghairu, siwan, suwan, sawain, the rule of this istisna is majrurun. All of them should be in jar conditions. La ghairu, not the others, right? Fal mustasna bi khola wa ada wa hasha ila akhirih. Fal mustasna, and as for mustasna, which is bi khola, which is using khola, and then wa ada, and also which is using ada, wa hasa, and also which is using hasha, ya juzu, the rule of mustasna, which is using khola, ada, and hasha, ya juzu nasbuhu, so is permitted from using nasab conditions. Wa jaruhu, and also is permitted by using or positioning in jar conditions. Nahwu, the example. Nahwu qaulika is like your example, is like your sentence exactly from the example. Qoma al qaumu khola zaidan wa zaidin, right? Qoma, stand up, who al qaumu, the people, khola zaidan, but Zaid or except Zaid. The first from the reading you can say with khola zaitan. And secondly, khola zaitin, right? So in this case, exactly you have two options, right? The first you can say with qomal qaumu khola zaitan, and the second of the options you can say qomal qaumu khola zaitin. Wa'ada amron, and also so do with same exactly. Wa'ada amron, and except amron, wa amrin, and also amrin. Exactly, ada amron au ada amrin is same with the example from khola zaitan and khola zaitin, two options for reading. Wahasha bakron wa bakrin, and also this one also same like the sentence before, like babula wa alam biswaf.